All I'm doing, amigos, I gotta make 4 hinges. Well, I found a tube, I found a bar which fits pretty damn good. I found a bit of metal plate. So we need to clean the metal plate up. We want 4 pieces. Not that big. I'm going to cut down there, that gives us whatever. It's a pretty heavy door, isn't it? That's what I'm trying to say to you. Or it will be a pretty heavy door. Whispering grass, you can kiss my ass. Ooh. I've cut the quart out. That's going on there like that. Nice bit of welding down the back, nice bit of welding on the front. And then that is going in there like that. Okay. I'm just a jealous guy. Look out. This is going to be welded into there if we can get it in there, which I think we can, with a thing called a persuader. I have to move you now because I'm going to be bashing like a crazy fucker. You know what I like when I start bashing. Where are we? See your voice anyway? There's a voice. That's my advice to you. Alright. Right, I'm going to bang that in that direction. You see it will go in there. This is not an hammer, it's a toy. Let's go find an hammer. Trouble is, it belongs to Sebastian. You took a fine time to lead me, Lucille. For hungry children, a cat and a canary. I've had some good times. What we're going to do is I'll run a weld around there, not as if that would ever come out, as we all know. We can all suss that bit out. Try and follow that line around. That's the circle. Yeah. That's what I do. That's nice. Too close, so back off. If I was a rich man, I'd throw a little. I wouldn't have to work hard. So you notice, nobody cares. Nobody cares. Nobody fucking gives a damn. 2x4, 4x2. We're dropping them all around. Yeah, whatever, why not? Between the line there, from the line there. I should fucking sacrifice this. Alright, can you just mimic similar? That's brilliantly done. Don't have, you know, nobody in the world is ever going to see it. Barra spring chickens. Sailor, sailor, room select for 50 cents. And there you are, that's it, done. Quick to the point. Long. This goes on the 4x4s. That goes on the doodly doodlies. 4 off, job done. And thanks for watching. Well, Louis said thanks for watching as well. All right.
Literally like a cook, right? You've got a bit of to walk past it, like. You've been like 4 foot, doesn't it?
A flat man. As soon as you walk in, it's that square room. You've got a fabricator on it.
This is our fabricator.
Camera, yeah. Look at it right in.
Alright, finished. Never listen to me.